Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create this easy eye look with 3 eyeshadows, and I'm going to use a very affordable eyeshadow palette for this. But before we begin, please make sure that you're subscribed for more videos. And yeah, let's get started. At first I'm going to take a brow pomade, and with the help of an angular brush I'm going to fill in the sparse areas of my eyebrows, and I'm going to also give it a nice shape. This is how you can fill your brows naturally. Before we begin with our eyeshadow, we have to make sure that we have a clean canvas for all the colors to work. So I'm going to take a flat shader brush. This is a concealer brush from Pro Arte, and I've taken an eyeshadow primer. With the help of that I'm going to clean my eyelids, and this will create a nice base for our eyeshadows, and our eyeshadows will show up better. I'm going to take a compact powder and set everything so that we have no problem regarding our blending. Now I'm going to take a scotch tape, and with the help of that I'm going to place it in between both of my lash line. And then I'm taking an eyeshadow palette. This is the Swiss Beauty eyeshadow palette. This is one of my favorite eyeshadow palette, which is not more than 200 Indian rupees. And I'm going to take a small pencil brush. With the help of that I'm going to place it in the very outer corner of my eyes. This is how you can create the shape at the end, and since we have applied the scotch tape we will have no problem in getting a sharper edge, so I'm doing that. Now I'm gonna take a green shade from the same eyeshadow palettes. So all of these are shimmer shades. So shimmer shades applies best with a wet brush. So I have wet my brush. This is a flat shader brush from PAC Cosmetics. So I'm going to place it in between. So we'll have blue, then green, and then we'll have silver. Make sure that you blend between the two colors properly, and shimmery shades blend better than the matte shades. Then I'm going to take the silver shade and I'm going to apply in the very inner corner, and then I'm going to take my eyeliner. This is from Essence. This is a new eyeliner that I bought, and since we have applied the scotch tape it will be easier for us to apply the eyeliner. Do not forget your inner corners because that adds to a lot of glam in our eyes. Now I've removed my scotch tape. Now I'll apply a black fold pencil in my waterline. Next I'm going to take the blue shade with the help of that pencil brush, and I'm going to apply it in my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take a clean brush and I'm going to blend the edges of that blue color to get a perfect blend. Now I'm going to take my favorite mascara, which is from L'Oreal, and I'm going to apply in my lower lash line and upper lash line. I have already applied some false lashes. These are PAC 52 lashes. These are very small but they look very natural in our eyes. Now we are going to apply some highlighter in our inner corner and brow bone area. This adds to a nice spark in our eyes. So we are done with our eye look. Let me know what do you think about this eye look, if you like it or not, and if you feel like recreating any of my look, then link to my social media will be down in the description box. Please go ahead and visit. This is Jyoti signing off for today. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.